Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Netflix application's not working on your Philips Smart TV. So whether you're getting some kind of error message or the app's just not loading in general, then keep watching as I'm going to show you all the different ways that we can solve this. So what you first need to do is just grab your television remote control. Then go ahead and press the home button located in the middle here. This is going to bring up the Philips home screen. And using the directional arrow keys, we just need to head over to settings at the top. Come down and then all the way across to all settings and select OK. From the settings menu, we need to come down to wireless and networks and scroll across. Click on check the network and just ensure that you have a stable connection to the internet. If everything seems in order here, then we could just close out of this window. And it's also a good idea to come down to Wi-Fi on/off and also try toggling this off. And then we can turn it back on just by coming back over and selecting on. Then we're going to come back out of the wireless networks menu. Then come all the way down to Update Software and come across. Click on Search for Updates and select Internet and press Start Now. This is going to scan your television for any pending updates. If there are any firmware updates inside of here, then you'll need to install these now. And once you've tried those couple of things, we can head back over to the Netflix application and you can check to see if that's now working. If you can get onto the Netflix application, what's also worth doing here is just using the left arrow key to come across like so. Scroll all the way down to the bottom next to Get Help and click this. Come down to Sign Out at the bottom here, and you can try signing out of your account and signing back in. This also sometimes fixes the issue. And then lastly, if you have tried all of these steps and that's still not solved it, the last thing you can try doing is just coming round to the back of the television, and you need to locate the power cable that runs from your TV over to the power socket. And what we're going to do is just remove this plug from the wall like so. And you'll need to leave this unplugged for around about 15 seconds. This is going to perform a power cycle of your TV. And once you've waited 15 seconds, we can just reinsert it back into the power. And you can try powering up the TV and once again, checking if that's now fixed the issue. So that's it guys. Hopefully by following these steps, your Netflix app's now working. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.